How to fix Viber activation failed. What is up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily fix the Viber activation failed error. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's jump right into the video. So if you have been trying to log into your Viber account, but you are not able to, then I suggest you do not keep trying again and again by the same process because it won't be working. If it's not working for a few times, then it won't be working later as well. So what you can try to do is reinstall the app. So go ahead and uninstall and reinstall the app. And if you don't want to do that, you can just head over to its app info. So long press on it, tap on the eye icon to head over to its app info, and you can try to clear its data. So if there are any data on the app, you can just try to clear it all and it will be a new app completely. So once you have done that, you can just go ahead and try to head over to permissions and make sure to allow all of these permissions. So for that, you can just open up the app, and once you open up your Viber, you can just enter your phone number. So from here, you can just tap on start now and then simply enter the phone number. Now once that is done, you can just click on continue and click on continue again, allow all of your access. Now, once you get to this page, what you can also do is try to activate it via call. So if the SMS is not working, you just have to make sure that you're getting the codes. But if you're not getting the codes, you can try to activate it via call, and then you should be good to go. That's pretty much it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.